Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to remotely access a computer on a different network, using AirDroid Remote software. Need to access a computer miles away in just a few clicks? Whether you're helping a friend or managing your own devices, we've got the perfect solution. First, you'll need to install AirDroid Business on the control device, and AirDroid Remote software the target device. Once installed, open AirDroid on both devices. You'll need to sign in the AirDroid account on your control device to establish a connection. Now, let's connect to the remote computer. On your control device, click on ID Connect in the AirDroid Business interface. You'll see an option to enter the 9-digit code. On the remote computer, open AirDroid Remote Support, and a 9-digit code will appear on the screen. Enter this code into the control device to initiate the connection. Once the code is entered, you'll be connected to the remote computer. With the connection established, you can now explore the various features AirDroid Remote Support offers, including control the remote device as if you were sitting right in front of it, screen sharing, and file transfers. Security is crucial when accessing remote devices. AirDroid ensures all connections are encrypted, protecting your data from unauthorized access. Always ensure both devices are securely connected to a trusted network. And that's it. You've successfully connected to a computer on a different network using AirDroid Remote Support software. Visit airdroid.com to learn more and get started today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.